Hi everyone, in this video, I am going to show you how to make mockups in Canva. So if you like to visualize a concept or if you want to give a realistic preview of how a product will appear, this tutorial is for you. So let's get started. First thing you should do is you need to create an account here in Canva. You must have your working email address or you must have a Google account for you to be able to create an account here. So this is my account. And as you can see on the left side, there are tons of features and options right here. But since this tutorial is all about how to make mockups in Canva, then we will go directly to templates where you can see different kinds of templates right here. For example, if you want to create mockups for t-shirt, for mugs, for pens, or for bags, you just have to go to templates. And if you want to be very specific with that, then you can go to the search icon and type that specific category, let's just say t-shirt. So you will see here the blank page or the dimension for a makeup t-shirt. And beside on the left side, you can see here the signs that you can use if you found something that you like. All you have to do is to drag that design to the blank page or double click. So if you want to start from scratch, let's look first for the background color. To look for a background color, you just have to click the color up right here, the icon color, and then pick or select that specific color that you want. So for example, you want to create a design using this background color, which is color black or dark. Now you have to add text. For example, I want a statement shirt. So if you want to select from any of this text samples from Canva, you just have to click and then edit. So I want to add a statement shirt. So as you can see, it's introverted but willing to discuss with cats or discuss cats, something like that. So basically everything is up to you, but this is just for the sake of tutorial. So if you want to change the font, and then you can go to this font, click the font option above, and on the left side, you can see here different fonts. So all you have to do is to select one, and then you can also change the color of the font here, not just the background, but also the font color. So you can also change the size. Everything is up to you. Now let's go to elements. If you want to add something, for example, I want to add patterns so that I can cover the, you know, black background, or I want to add something to my background right here. Feel free to add or look for the specific pattern design that you want, but make sure that this one is for free if you're using the basic version. If you're using the pro version, then you can use different or many or tons of pattern designs right here. And then all you have to do is to simply put it back or behind the text. You can tap layer and then select backwards. So for example, this one right here. Okay, so as you can see, it covered the font. So in order for the font to be or to bring front, then you just have to click and then go to layer and then bring to front. Okay, so that's it. So if you want to simply copy this, so you just have to Control C and Control V or right click, copy, and then paste. Now drag this to the center, okay? And then, yeah, basically that's it. You can add more elements if you want. So let me tap this again. Okay, layer and then bring to front. Okay, this is what it looks like. Change the color if you want. So this is an example. But for the font right here, you can add effects. Actually, we can talk about this later, more about this text features later. But for now, as you can see, if you want to change the font, if you want to add effects, you can see your outline, lift, a shadow, and then you just have to match some colors right here to make your font look better or excellent. So everything is up to you. But you just have to click the font and then go to effects, or you can just change the color. So that's it. Now, if you want to change the pattern, or if you think that your background is not that really satisfying, you can add more elements or change this. But if you're satisfied with your editing and design, all you have to do is to click the share button. at the top right corner, look for download, make sure this one is PNG, and then tap download. And as you can see, it's now downloading. Now let's move on to Mockups application. So you can just simply look for Mockups application right here by going to apps. Then you will see your application that you can use to give a realistic preview of how your product will appear. But for this tutorial, we will not be using any of this application inside the Canva. So what we're going to do now is we're going to open a new tab or link new tab and then look for this website, which is Smart Mockups. And this one, actually, this website was indeed a very helpful tool before, and you can use this before by just adding that image. And basically, after you have added that image, then you will see the result right away. You can also look for the t-shirt design, sweater, hoodie, okay, so mobile, something like that layout. You will see the result right away. But unfortunately, as you can see, this notification above, this platform or website cannot be used anymore or is no longer available. But don't worry, we will look for other platform or website where you can use the design that you have created from your canvas. So you can go to any web browser and then search for Mockups online or Mockup for free, something like that. And you will be landed to the specific pages such as displays it, there is also Mockup Bro, so there are tons of websites that you can use, but make sure that, of course, if you want a free website or tool, you have to make sure that it's for free. So, for example, this one right here, all you have to do is to look for a t-shirt, okay, and then tap edit. Now you have to import that picture or image that you have downloaded from Canva. Okay, you can crop this one, you can zoom in, zoom out, and then after that, click crop. Then you have to wait for a couple of seconds as it is processing and you will see the result on the right side. So basically this is what it looks like. Wait for a couple of seconds and you will see all the results with the different sizes of shirts or, whatever the designs it is. So this is what it looks like. And if you're satisfied with it, then all you have to do is to click download. Another website is this Mega Pro where you just have to simply import again or add the image that you have created using Canva. And then you just have to simply import it. And this is what it looks like. So you can also look for this or other result, but you need to upgrade your plan. So basically, that's how easy it is. And yes, that's how easy it is to make mockups in Canva. Now, if you want to make mockup for mugs or cups, so you just have to go back to Canva again and then tap create a design. And then let's just say you want a specific, size or dimension for that design. So basically, you just have to go to custom size and then let's just say 6 by 6 inches. And then after that, you will see the blank page again. And to start, you can look for that specific background color that you want. So by tapping the color icon above, and then you can see the right background color for your design. But if you want to make it easier and look for some sample designs, then you can go to design and select one. And if you want to start from scratch, just go and look for the background color first. And then go to element. Let's just say I want cats or pet design for my mug. So I want this. But actually, if you don't feel like adding that kind of element, then you can just simply delete and then add again. Change the background color anytime. Okay, as long as it doesn't contradict with your design right here or your element right here. So you can also add quotes and words for your mug. And then as you can see, I want to add something like stay positive or anything. So you just have to go to elements and search for that specific word or object that you want to add here. So basically, this is the result. Okay, so this is your mug design. And it's the same thing if you want to look for the result of this. Then you can go simply to place it or Mockup Pro and then add these images. Okay, so once you're done, you just have to simply tap the share icon or share button and then download this. So I will be making two designs for my mug. One is for dog and the other one is for cat design. And then I'm going to use Placeit website again. And in order for you to really use this website, you need to upgrade your plan because you can only see the preview. But once you download it, you will see the watermark. Okay, so let me look for mugs design right here. And then same thing, you just have, or I'll just have add the images. So tap edit and then import the images. So I'm going to add design 1, 2, 3, and this is the result. So basically, that's how easy it is to make mockups in Canva. So if you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe, and see you again in our next video tutorials.